Introducing the Epson SureColor S9130, the latest generation of Epson's large format printer. Meet the next generation printer engineered for stunning image quality and unmatched reliability. In this video, we'll dive into the groundbreaking innovations that make this printer a game changer, showcasing how its enhancements take your printing experience to the next level. This all-new printer features a streamlined low-profile design, standing 23% shorter than the SureColor S8670L. Plus, its clear top cover window gives you instant visibility into your print jobs, making monitoring easier than ever. More efficiency, less hassle. Let us walk you through the differences. Now powered by an expanded 11-color ink set, including the all-new green ink, this printer delivers a wider color gamut than over 95% Pantone coverage for more accurate reproduction. Plus, with the flexibility to choose between white ink or cleaning liquid based on your production needs, you get unparalleled efficiency. Experience prints that are bolder and brighter with the all-new green ink. Expand your color spectrum and achieve richer, more vibrant greens like never before. Get ready to bring your prints to life with unmatched brilliance. With the S9130, you no longer have to choose different printer models for different production needs. Now you get the freedom to switch between two ink pack sizes in a single printer, optimizing efficiency and cost based on your production volume. The S9130 now features a new temperature sensor positioned near the ink discharge head to ensure a stable temperature for ultra-precise ink dispensing. Consistent color output can be achieved from the very first print to the last, ideal for application like wallpaper. With nozzle verification technology (NVT), the smart system automatically detects and compensates for clogged nozzles before, during and after printing, so you can print with confidence and zero downtime. The built-in drying fans boost productivity by ensuring even drying and reducing production turnaround time. Plus, the included media lifter makes single-person operation a breeze, allowing for easy loading and replacement of heavy media with minimal effort. No more strain, no awkward bending, just smooth, efficient handling. And when not in use, the magnetized media lifter tucks neatly under the printer, saving space. The S9130 takes productivity up a notch with a print speed boost of up to 8% in default mode, delivering higher pass quality without compromising speed. Get more done faster with precision and performance you can count on. The upgraded 4.3-inch tiltable touch display puts control at your fingertips, offering an intuitive at-a-glance view of critical information from most angles. Plus, with its advanced optical screen, you can now operate it effortlessly with gloves on. With its new and improved features, the S9130 is engineered to elevate your printing experience. With unmatched color accuracy, seamless media handling, and ink replacement flexibility, this printer delivers flawless results with every print from start to finish.